Imagination, life is your creation. Hi, I'm Stacy with an I, and I have a TV show. Okay, today I have my first guest. What's your name, guest? Hi, I'm Amy. Amy, that's great. So, I heard you're gonna be in the 3rd grade. How bad?
It's good. It's kind of like the monkey bars.
That's really great. That's really great. So, what else are you doing with your time other than school and Girl Scouts?
Wow, that's all I really have time for. Oh, except I take ballet classes and I play basketball, and sometimes I like to do tennis, but that's not really a sport. Well, my mommy says it is, but I just run around and hit things with a bat.
That's great. That's like 5 whole sports.
Oh my God, no!
You're so talented.
I should be like athlete of the year. I'll be in the Olympics.
So, I have one last thing to tell you. You know that boy Ryan in our class?
Yeah?
He said he likes you. You know, immediately fly back at the school. Mr. Snake told us we could go on there since we're 4th graders.
I thought we were 3rd graders.
Oh.
YOLO!
I thought 4th grade came before 3rd grade.
Oh. I can't count. I'm 5.
Okay, that's all we have time for today. And don't forget, imagination, life is your creation. Bye!